Hey everybody, this is Professor Anciello, and I just wanted to create a short video kind of going over this 1-4 and 1-5 section in Module 1. Um, at first glance, it could look a little confusing, and I just want to kind of hopefully clear up all you have to do. So here is Module 1, and I wanted to start here so that you know exactly where to go. All you have to do is scroll down to the very bottom past the discussion and the two quizzes, and you get to 1-4, Project 1 and Project 2 review. This is just letting you know that there are two projects for the total course. There's nothing that you have to do in this area that's due tomorrow or for Module 1 or anything like that. In fact, there's nothing due other than the discussion post, the two classmate replies, and the two quizzes. But for 1-5, they do want you to start it, and I'm going to kind of show you how to start it, but you'll be turning it in next week. So for instance, it says start working on your cultures and artifacts worksheet, which is due in Module 2. But just before I do that, I want to go back to 1-4, and it just gives you an overview of what to expect for Project 1 and Project 2 as a whole. You can open up the links to the rubric and guidelines, but don't really pay too much credence right now because I don't want you to feel overwhelmed. Now for this, they want you to start the worksheet, and it gives you an opportunity to understand the assignment better. So I'm going to, I already clicked it open, but you would just click on here, and this is what it's asking you. It's asking you for part 1 to list 3 cultures you were part of or that you identify strongly with and rank them from most to least. And then it gives some examples and more directions. So for now, just do part 1. Don't worry about part 2. This is my example, for instance. My heritage is Italian, and so I thought about an object that was special. You know, when my grandmother was alive, it was her cooking. That was her staple that she learned from her mother, who came from Italy, and it was just the biggest pride for my grandma. So that could be an object. It could be anything, really, that's special, that's cultural related. And then influence of culture on the object. I put her recipes were passed down from Italy to the United States, and they're still influential today because my family still cooks them. So think of 3 things. This is one, but you also have to think of 2 others, and just remember what the directions say. And you can always contact me. You can post it in the general directions, or you can ask me directly through email, or wait for the virtual office hour. And just a reminder, the 2 quizzes, you get 2 attempts. So if you're not happy with the first one, go ahead and do it again, and it will record your highest score. And you need to reply to at least 2 classmates by tomorrow evening. I'll send another reminder. Alrighty, thanks everybody. Bye-bye.